जी बोलिए सर, बोलिए
सर, थोड़ा जोर से बोलिएगा।
अरे
Narcotics Control Bureau follows a professional and unbiased approach in ongoing mission of tackling drug menace in the country. NCB takes action either on the basis of inputs received from public sources or based on developed intelligence inputs incorporating various surveillance means. On this specific information, the team of NCB Mumbai Zone raided at International Cruise Terminal, Green Gate, Mumbai and Cordilla Cruise Ship on 2nd of October and intercepted 8 persons on the spot along with various drugs like cocaine, mephedrone, charas, hydroponic weed, MDMA and cash worth 1,33,000. As per the due procedure established by law of land, independent public witnesses are mandatorily required to be present during seizure operations. NCB strongly adheres to this procedure and involves at least 2 independent witnesses in all the operations. As the operations are conducted on real-time basis, field verification of independent witness is not possible as the main focus is on operation and drug recovery. To this procedure and involves at least 2 independent witnesses in all the operations. As the operations are conducted on real-time basis, field verification of independent witness is not possible as the main focus is on operation and drug recovery. A total of 9 independent witnesses were involved in the whole operation and Mr. Manish Anushali and Mr. KP Gosavi were among them. None of the independent witnesses, including the 2 names above, were known to NCB prior to this operation. As high-profile persons were detained in the said case to avoid any unwanted leakages of information and safety of the detained persons, they were rushed to the safety at NCB office to avoid large crowds and numerous cameras gathered. None of the detained or arrested person was ill-treated in any way while following all due procedures of law. Even the defense has acknowledged this in court and reposed trust in NCB officers. A total of 14 persons were brought to NCB office for examination. All of them were served notice under section 67 of NDPS Act. They were examined thoroughly and their statements were duly recorded. Thereafter, 8 persons were arrested and remaining 6 persons were
ये गाड़ी जेल की तरफ अंदर दाखिल हो रही है अंदर